Hello, now we are going to discuss from question number 7 to question number 12. In the previous video, you can see the question number 1 to question number 6 has been discussed. Question number 7. One end of a thin straight elastic string is fixed at A 4, minus 1 and other end B is at 1, 2 in the unstretched condition. If the string is stretched to the triple its length, find the new position of B. Let this is a coordinate, consider it 4, minus 1 and this is B 1, 2. Now the string is stretched to triple its length. Okay, so now the new position, let's suppose this is C x, y, and its length is now triple. It means if it is x, then I can say the whole length become 3x. This is 3x. So this length will become 2x. So B divides A and C internally. If we talk about it, AB upon BC. So AB upon BC will become x upon 2x, that is 1 upon 2. So this is 1 and this become 2. It's B divides AC in 1:2 internally. So 1 will multiply with this and 2 will multiply with this. So the coordinate becomes 1 into x plus 2 into 4 divided by 1 plus 2, which is equal to x coordinate of B is 1. Now calculate the y coordinate. So 1 will multiply with y plus 2 will multiply with minus 1 divided by 1 plus 2, which is equal to y coordinate of B, that is 2. So x plus 8 is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 5. And here y minus 2 is equal to 6. 3 to 6. Y is equal to 8. So the C coordinate, the new position of B after stretching is become minus 5, 8. This is the answer of this question. Question number 8. The coordinate of extremities of rod are A 1, 2 and B 3, 4. S 0, 0 is a point source of a light. The rod AB is parallel to the wall and it's midway between the point source and the wall. CD is the shadow of the AB on the wall of S, AB and CD are in same horizontal plane. AB and CD are in same horizontal plane. Find the end of the C, D of the shadow. This is A 1, 2 and this is B 3, 4. And if we take the wall, okay, the wall in which the CD shadow, and this is C shadow of origin, let's suppose this, and let's suppose if shadow is going like this, means this length and this length might be equal because after distance are same. This is of CD shadow on the wall, this is wall. So now they are asking the end of point C and D. Okay, this is the midpoint. If I'm considering this is x, y and this is S 0, 0. So use the midpoint formula. A is the midpoint of C and S, so it becomes x plus 0 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Y plus 0 divided by 2 is equal to y coordinate is 2. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4. So C coordinate comes to be 2, 4. Now find the D coordinate. So D coordinate means D and S midpoint is B. So midpoint concept 0 plus, let's consider the coordinate as x, y. So 0 plus x divided by 2 is equal to 3 and y plus 0 divided by 2, which is equal to 4, and x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 8. So D coordinate comes to be 6, 8. So the end of C and D coordinate, I have find out C as a 2, 4 and D as a 6, 8. Question number 9. Find the circumcenter of the triangle whose vertices are 2, 1, 5, 2 and 3, 4. So let's consider the circumcenter of the triangle as h, k. This considered, name it as A, B and C, and circumcenter as O, that is h, k. So OA, if it is a circumcenter point, circumcenter coordinate, OA equal to OB, which is equal to OC, or OA square. OA square means distance I am talking. Okay, now this is O. So this length and this length will be equal. So OA square is equal to OB square is equal to OC square. OA square means h minus 2 whole square plus k minus 1 whole square, and OB square is h minus 5 whole square plus k minus 2 whole square is equal to h minus 3 whole square plus k minus 4 whole square. So there are three variables, if you see, h and k. So we will use the two equations, this first 2 and this 2. So h minus 2 whole square plus k minus 1 whole square is equal to h minus 5 whole square plus k minus 2 whole square. So just see here, this is h square and you will get h square will get cancelled. Here minus 4h plus 4, this will be minus 2k plus 1, and here minus 10h plus minus 4k and plus 25 plus 4. I am considering this equation and this equation. So minus 10h is becomes 6h, minus 2k, here minus 4k come, it becomes 2k. This is 5, so 5 will become 20 and this is 24. Yani 3h plus k is equal to 12, first equation. Now let's find the second equation, as we are comfortable in finding now. So I'm taking this one and this one. So here minus 10h plus 25, because h square and h square will get cancelled. Here minus 4k plus 4. Here this will become minus 6h plus 9 minus 8k plus 16. So minus 10h and minus 6h, it will become 4h. This is minus, this is 8k. Okay, now oh, we got a point, minus 8k. Okay, now this what I have done, no, sorry, this I am written here only now, minus 4k only, because this is k I am talking about here, minus 10h and this is minus 4k. So this become 4h with negative sign, minus 4h, this is minus 4k and this is minus 8k, it becomes 4k. 9 and 16 and this get cancelled, plus 4 is equal to 0, means minus h plus k plus 1 is equal to 0. I am placing here this equation second, minus h plus k is equal to 1 minus 1. Let's check it, minus 10h and minus 4k 25 and this is 4, this is minus 6h plus 9 and this is minus 8k plus 16. Okay, this get cancelled, this become 4h and this become plus 4k and this become 4. Okay, subtract it, it becomes 4h and this get cancelled, this become 13, h is equal to 13 by 4. Place here, it becomes 39 divided by 4. The method is, remember it, method will be used the same only, no problem. 39 by 4 plus k is equal to 12. So k is equal to 12 minus 39 by 4, which is equal to 48 minus 39 divided by 4, which is equal to 9 by 4. The coordinate of the circumcenter comes to be 13 by 4 comma 9 by 4. This is the answer. Okay, so now comes to the questions. Question number 10, find the centroid and incenter of the triangle whose vertices are 2, 4, 6, 4, 2, 4, 6, 4 and 2, 0. The 2, 0 will be on the x-axis. Okay, so 2, 0. They are asking the centroid. The centroid formula is very easy. This is also a right angle triangle. Let's consider this as A, this as B and this as C. So centroid, So centroid means sum of all x coordinate, 6 plus 2 plus 2 divided by 3, and y coordinate means 4 plus 0 divided by 3, 10 by 3 and 8 by 3. Centroid. Now they are asking in center. In center, okay. In center formula will find the let's this length AB will become, this will become 4, this will become 4, this is also become 4, okay, and this becomes 4 4 yani 4 root 2. So in center will be 4 root 2 will multiply with 2 plus 4 into this 4 will multiply with 6, because ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3, this 4 will multiply with 2 and divide by 4 plus 4 plus 4 root 2. This is in center x coordinate, and if I am calculating the y coordinate, the y coordinate will be 4 root 2 into 4 plus 4 into 0, this 4 into 0 plus this 4 will multiply with 4 upon 8 plus 4 plus 4 will become 8 plus 4 root 2. So 4 root 2 and 2, this will become 8 root 2 and this become 24 and this become 8. 24 and 8 will be added, it becomes 32 divided by 8 plus 4 root 2, comma, this becomes 16 root 2 plus 16 divided by, if you take common 4 root 2, here becomes root 2 and this become plus 1. This take common 8 root 2, okay, 8 root 2 take common, no issue. 8 root 2 if you take common, here becomes 1, this becomes 4 upon root 2. 4 upon root 2, that means 2 root 2. Here you take common 4 root 2, it becomes root 2 plus 1. 16 common, root 2 plus 1 upon 4 root 2 comma root 2 plus 1. Okay, no issue. So this becomes 2, 1 plus, okay, this is 24, this is 8, that is 32. Okay, 2 and this becomes 1 plus 2 root 2 divided by root 2 plus 1, and this get cancelled, this becomes 4 and 2 root 2. Okay, na? In center formula I am writing here, that is ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 divided by a plus b plus c, and y coordinate if I am taking, so it becomes ay1 plus by2 plus cy3 divided by a plus b plus c. Okay, so I am getting the in center coordinate of this, and centroid formula is very easy, x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. Let's go for question number 11. The coordinate of the point A, comma B and C are in respectively 6, comma 3, minus 3, comma 5 and 4, comma minus 2, and the coordinate of the P is x, comma y. To prove that area of triangle PBC ratio area of triangle ABC is equal to mod of x plus y minus 2 ratio 7. So let's I'm writing all the coordinate, A 6, comma 3, B as minus 3, comma 5 and C 4, comma minus 2 and P as x, comma y. If we remember the formula of area, the area of formula of ABC will become xy1. So first I am taking 6 3 1 minus 3 5 1 and this become 4 minus 2 and 1. This is area of triangle ABC. And triangle PBC means in the place of 6 comma 3 and first row 1 by 2, it becomes x y 1 minus 3 5 1 4 minus 2 and 1. So area of triangle PBC divided by triangle ABC. So PBC, this one half will get cancelled, this half will get cancelled. This x, first row I am expanding, x 5 plus 2 minus y minus 3 minus 4 plus 1 plus 6 minus 20 divide by, this will become mod. Okay, now anything will, area means mod. This 6, this again 5 plus 2, this becomes 7. Okay, this minus 3 and this will become minus 7. This is plus 1 and this become minus 14. You can get cancelled, this becomes 7x plus 7y. This is minus 14, divide by mod, this becomes 42. Minus 7 you can get common, no issue. 42 plus 21 minus 14, 7 get cancelled, this becomes x plus y minus 2 come mod. Okay, this becomes 6, this becomes 3, this becomes minus 2. That is mod of x plus y minus 2 divided by, this is 9 minus 2, that is 7. So this is the proved. Okay, let's talk question number 12. If the vertices of the triangle have integral coordinates, prove that the triangle cannot be equilateral. Let's suppose I'm considering integral coordinates x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2 and x3 comma y3. If I say what is the area of this triangle, again I will say xi comma yi belongs to z. So area a half x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. So please tell about this thing, or I can say only, no issue. So what will be the area? I'm asking, will the area irrational or rational? So I will say the area will be rational, or you can say the integers, because if you solve this one, this will give an integer. Hope so. If it is not divided by 2, then it become rational. Okay, now, and when it will not divide by 2, when it is odd, this determinant is giving value 5, 7, 9, then it becomes rational. If it is giving the value of 4, 6, 8, it becomes integers. Yeah, positive integers plus in. Okay, and what is the area of this triangle? This will be root 3 by 4 a square. If a, this is a, let's suppose this is, if a belongs to integer or a does not belongs to integer, okay, but a square will belongs to an integer, a square will belongs to an integer. So this integer into root 3 by 4 area, it becomes irrational. It becomes irrational because this is integer now. The root will be irrational, square will be rational. 5 minus 6, 8 minus 5 whole square, it will be root, but anyhow square will become integer. So this become irrational area, and this, from this I am getting the area rational or integer. How can I equate both rational and irrational, integer or irrational? So the vertices of triangle having integral coordinate cannot be an equilateral. So in the next video we'll add question number 13 to question number 20. If anyone who are seeing this video, kindly like and also subscribe the channels and also comment something if you are feeling. Thank you.